I love sharing everything with you. I'm a little strange that way because I feel I cannot open the package until I unpackage it with all of my friends, and then I love to share. Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we have something very special to unpackage. It's right here. I got this from the gate, and like always I mention that if you find something that you really like here and you really want, you can always find it in my bio on my link tree. You will see the picture, just click on it and it will open right up to this seller's page. So let's try to get into it. Wow, this seller, she packaged it very well. But I really am super excited to open it because I ordered this bag in, I have to go back in with this, in blue, dark blue, similar to navy. You know, one of my favorite colors is like dark forest green. Well, navy is like my second favorite color. I love it. Yeah, this packaging, still struggling. There we go. So my friends, it's like the size I really like. Not too big, a little on the smaller side. So, oh, this is nice. It's very pretty. It's a little bit not as soft and squishy. It's a little firmer feeling of a puffy bag. Puffy. I guess that's what I would call it, puffy. And it has a gold hardware here. And I see that it also has gold hardware here for crossbody straps. Yeah, there. The gold and the navy go really, really well together. So, I don't know. It wasn't very good stuffing, but. And here's the crossbody strap. I generally don't wear the crossbody straps anyway. I'm not a fan of them, but it comes with a little, what's this, tulip? A little, oh, that's very pretty. That's very pretty, my friends. It's made, it feels like silk. I don't really know if it's silk or like a polyester. But both sides have little different colors on them. So one has black and gray. Black and gray, yes, black and gray. And the other side has like burgundy, little purple or lilac color, and gray. Wow, this is going to look very beautiful on the handle. And then on the inside, it's just like this here. There you go. I don't see any pockets in it. It's just kind of an open bag like this here. I don't know really if you get to see in it. It's kind of dark in there. It doesn't have fabric lining. It's another one with plastic lining. I can honestly say I'm not really impressed with the plastic linings of the bags, but the zipper is nice. The zipper is in good quality and it zips really well. I don't have any trouble with that. And also the placement of the zipper on the top here, it doesn't get stuck in the corner of the bag, so it's quite zippy, and I really appreciate that fact. And the handles on it are okay, just a little bit crooked because it was in the shipping. They didn't ship them generally in a box, but anyway. And it was a little squashed on the bottom from shipping. But in general, overall, it will give you a look for not an expensive price. And this little, what do you call these? They're not scarves. Bag decorations, I don't really know, but I think it's a tulip. But anyway, I will put this on the side of it, and it will give a nice added detail to the bag. It will be very pretty. So I love the color right off. The color of it is beautiful. So my friends, that's what I had to unbox with you and share with you today. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for opening or unpackaging. I can't really say unboxing because lately they're never coming in a box. They're always coming in bags or packaged. So my friends, I will see you, like I said, back here again tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Mwah. Ciao, everyone. Bye.